Hey hotties! So today we are going to be doing a client tutorial using some Colored Raine products. First, we're going to go ahead and clean out the skin using a toner. Before you do anything on any client, you want to make sure that their skin is clean and ready for the products. Now onto brows. We are going to go ahead and fill in the brows, give her a nice shape. And then afterwards, we're going to take our 212 brush from MAC and clean up using some concealer. So now we're just blending out that concealer, and then we're gonna add some primer onto the lids to prep for our eyeshadow. It's eyeshadow time, so we're gonna go ahead and take the Colored Raine Safari Rain palette. Beautiful palette and super pigmented. And alongside, we're gonna use the Colored Raine Power Collection palette. These colors are super pretty too, so we're gonna just try to use both palettes and create a nice look. I'm gonna add some tape on the outer corners of her eyes to help the cleanup process at the end. So now taking that purple shade in the Power Collection, we are gonna go ahead and blend that into the crease halfway. And then after, we're gonna take like a pink shade and blend out that purple. So now that we have that all blended out, we're gonna go ahead and take a eye primer and just pat it all over her lids so that the next colors can stick very well. Now hopping back into that Power Collection palette, we're gonna take this beautiful purple shade and add it right in the middle of her eyelid. Because I will be adding another color on the outer lid, I just want to focus this right in the middle of her eyelid. Now taking that beautiful bright purple from out the same palette, we're going to go ahead and pat that on the outer corners and blend that in. Using this Safari Rain palette, we're going to take that gold shade and add that right in the tear ducts of her eyelids. This shade is super creamy and super pigmented. Now taking some Colored Raine lashes, we're gonna go ahead and stack these lashes. You know your girl loves a good lash, okay? Now onto skin, we are going to go ahead and take her foundation and blend that right onto her skin. Her skin is already beautiful and flawless in my opinion, so she doesn't really need much. But we're going to go ahead and glam her anyways and use some patting motions to blend that foundation in. And this is one side with makeup and the other side natural. On to highlighting and contouring. I'm going to go ahead and take the lighter concealer and apply it under her eyes into all the places that I want to bring forth, and of course add the contour to all the places that I want to bronze and minimize, or chisel, shall I say. So now that that's all blended out, I added some powder underneath her eyes. I set her face already, and we're gonna go ahead and use an eyeliner and blend out that liner using that same dark purple shade from the Power Collection Color Raine palette. On to blush, we are going to go ahead and use the Power Collection Colored Raine. And these blushes are super pigmented. You don't need not much at all. All you have to do is tap it like once or twice, and look at this payoff. This payoff is amazing. Onto lips, I chose this muted pink color. It's not super bright, nor is it super dull. It's like right in between. It's like this perfect nudish pink that I love. And I just chose a brown liner to line her lip. And now I'm blending it in with the lip brush. So this is it without a gloss on top. It's super pretty. You can wear it like this if you choose to, but you know your girl loves a good gloss. So we're gonna just add a clear gloss right on top to make it pop. Also, all Color Raine products and colors will be listed in the description box, so make sure you check that description box out. And here is the completed look. Don't forget to use code HOTCHICK to save money on coloredraine.com. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in with me. And make sure you comment and let me know if you guys like this look with or without a scarf. Love you. Peace out.